Hello YouTube, Freddy Cardona here. Here we are at the site of the former Wonder Bread factory that used to be here in Paterson, New Jersey. We're here on Madison Avenue, and this factory stood on the corner of Madison Avenue and Ellison Place. We've got the old Paterson Card Paper Company there. It looks like this is now a driving school for trucks, at least this part right here anyway. But for many Patersonians, you'll remember that we used to have not only the Wonder Bread factory here, we also had Brogan Cadillac over there where Walgreens is now. And this is an iconic corner, Ellison Place, Ellison Street, and Madison Ave. There's a little wind, it's a little windy. So we come across here. We're coming up on the train tracks as we see Bocaditos Bistro. So the section that I showed you back there, I would imagine was part of the Wonder Bread factory. But now that I come up to this corner here, I remember that the entrance was over here where this field is. So if anyone remembers the details, please let me know. Let us know in the comments below as we go across Ellison Place. Try not to get hit. And this is where the trucks used to be parked, right here. The trailers used to be parked. And this is where we would enter on this side to go to the outlet store, and the bread was cheap, the Hostess cakes were cheap. So I just wanted to show you the neighborhood. So this is where the actual entrance to the factory was. And I'm wondering, that first section that I showed in the beginning of the video, was that part of Wonder Bread as well? Just going to show you the neighborhood. And yeah, in this parking lot here, this parking lot used to, the trailers would be parked there. And if you lived in this neighborhood, all you can do is smell the bakery, the baking goods, the goods that are being baked. And as I'm making this video, it reminds me of the Nabisco building in Fairlawn that's going to be demolished soon. So I just wanted to show you this area, kind of give you a little walkthrough. As I cross the street, I cross Madison Avenue. And we're going to give you a 2-for-1 because I wanted to show you where the Brogan Cadillac dealership used to be. And that used to be here in this lot here. This was all Cadillacs and other vehicles were here. I remember the old style Chevy Impalas with the 3 lights on either side in the back, the 3 round lights. This is a strip mall where we used to go food shopping there. In our days, that used to be called the 494 supermarket. Liquor store. There was a liquor store there where the laundromat was. That used to be the liquor store where my dad and mom would go and get their cigarettes. So yeah, this was a very iconic corner back in the days when you had a major dealership and a major bread factory, bakery. This place is now called the International Universal Supermarket, International Fish Market. You got a pharmacy here, liquor store, 99-cent store, and a Jamaican restaurant, which that food is delicious. So yeah, there it is, the former site of the Wonder Bread factory. If anyone lived in this neighborhood, leave your comments down below, share your memories. For me, it was the smell of the baking goods and seeing all the cars, all the new cars that are coming out, because I live right next to here. All right guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video, short and sweet. And we'll see you on the next Pride in Patterson video.